Okay, so this is my brainstorming and research for project 2. I've kind of settled on this magnetic field kaleidoscope idea, among a few other things. And I don't remember what initially got me thinking about using this magnetic field idea, but the idea is kind of having a wall art that changes so that you're not looking at the same stuff all the time. It's sort of inspired by this video. So they have this ring of magnets that are in this array that causes a particular magnetic field in here. They're using iron filings to visualize that. I thought it might be kind of cool if you could do this dynamically and kind of have this be changing at some interval. So I went way down the rabbit hole researching some different magnetic stuff. Ended up on a couple of these journal articles in this Magnetic Society of Japan, and they kind of showed different configurations and how that affects the magnetic field in between the magnets. This one was particularly interesting because it shows different configurations you can kind of put these magnets in this what they call a mangle, and how the direction of the field changes based on that. And so I thought it would be interesting to kind of make a ring like this, but instead of having fixed magnets, to have these attached to stepper motors so that you could change them independently, and kind of end up with some configurations like this. And then instead of shavings in the middle of here, I thought it might be interesting to use either some magnetic viewing film, or something called a ferrocell, which is basically ferrofluid smashed between a couple pieces of glass. And so then I kind of threw together this design here at OpenSCAD. It's this one has 6 magnets. It's actually a configurable number of magnets, but using these little cube neodymium magnets and these cheap stepper motors, I think hopefully this will work. I don't know. The magnetic viewing film doesn't seem to be very promising based on my initial tests. And so I'm going to attempt the ferrocell as well, and hopefully with these stepper motors attached, and you can spinning these magnets, it'll cause some interesting things to happen within here, and it'll be kind of a nice little cool art piece. So that's kind of where I am.